Are you looking for the best exercise bikes? In this video we will look at some of the best exercise bikes on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Sunny Health Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike. The Sunny Health Fitness Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike is a well-designed fitness equipment that prioritizes comfort and adjustability for users. The bike features an ergonomically designed road bike-style saddle that can be adjusted both vertically and horizontally, ensuring optimum comfort during workouts. The adjustable seat adds to user comfort and stability, with a seat inseam height ranging from 26 to 32 inches. For a personalized workout experience, the bike offers adjustable resistance. Users can easily twist the knob to add or remove resistance, and a stop brake allows for quick halting of the flywheel during high-intensity sessions. The 22 pounds flywheel provides high inertia and resistance, giving users precise control over their riding sessions. The chain drive mechanism ensures a smooth and sturdy ride. Number 2. RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike. The RELIFE Rebuild Your Life Exercise Bike seems like a solid choice for those looking to amp up their home fitness routine. The new version boasts improvements such as an extended seat adjustment, now with 8 holes instead of 5, providing more flexibility for users. The plating on the flywheel has been upgraded to reduce noise, ensuring a quieter workout experience. With its ergonomic design and all-inclusive flywheel, safety is a priority. The bike features thickened foam for added comfort, a stable structure, and adjustable elements like the seat cushion, handlebars, and resistance levels. The emergency braking system adds an extra layer of security, allowing for an immediate stop if needed. The LCD monitor is a handy addition, offering real-time tracking of time, speed, distance, calories burned, and odometer readings. The inclusion of an iPad holder and cup holder enhances the overall user experience, letting you stay entertained or hydrated during your workout. Number 3. HARISON Magnetic Exericse Bike. The HARISON Magnetic Exercise Bike seems like a robust and reliable choice for indoor cycling enthusiasts. Its heavy-duty thickened steel frame ensures a sturdy and stable build with a capacity of up to 300 pounds. Backed by SGS certification for safety assurance. The 2019 updated model suggests the incorporation of the latest features and improvements. The bidirectional magnetic flywheel sets this stationary bike apart by providing a quieter and smoother cycling experience compared to others. With 14 levels of smooth magnetic resistance, users have a wide range of workout intensity options. The US Mute magnetic control system ensures a nearly silent workout, making it ideal for use without disturbing others who may be sleeping or watching TV. Number 4. Schwinn Upright Bike Series. The Schwinn Upright Bike Series provides a comprehensive fitness solution with its Goal Track capability, allowing users to set personalized exercise goals. The dual-track LCD screen enhances visibility and showcases 22 workout programs, along with goal tracking features. The high-speed, high-inertia drive system ensures easy startup and quiet, smooth workouts, creating a seamless exercising experience. With 20 levels of resistance, users can customize their workout intensity, catering to a wide range of fitness levels. The bike also features a padded contoured seat with a post for easy seat exchange, accommodating various preferences for a comfortable ride. Overall, the Schwinn Upright Bike Series offers a versatile and user-friendly fitness option for individuals looking to achieve their exercise goals.